So once again, it's hay fever season and I'm being asked what is the best hay fever spray that I can use for my runny nose, congestion and sneezing. As you know, there are a different range of steroid sprays and it's always difficult to know what is the best one that works for you. So I'll look at the weak and the strong ones. As you know, if it's over the counter, it's most likely to be weak. So as far as I'm aware, over the counter, you've got Beconase. Beconase contains the beclomethasone steroid spray. But these are stuff that you can buy and are widely available over the counter. If these sprays do not work for your hay fever symptoms, now you're thinking stronger prescriptions. There are occasions you can buy stronger prescriptions from online pharmacies, or you can go and see your doctor directly to get these prescription steroid sprays. So example of prescription steroid sprays will include your nasonex, which contains mometasone. Then you've got avamys, which contains fluticasone furoate. Then you've got dymista, which contains fluticasone propionate, as well as an antihistamine called azelastine. Now, I can't tell you which is the best out of these three, but these are the most three that are commonly prescribed: nasonex, avamys, and dymista. I would probably go for dymista because it has a combination of both the steroid and the antihistamine. So while the antihistamine will help to reduce the mast cells that can propagate the inflammatory process in the body, you've also got the steroid component which helps to reduce the inflammation itself. However, what you might find is that maybe dymista has a smaller amount of both the steroid and the antihistamine in it, so you might want to go for a higher concentration of steroid in either the nasonex or the avamys, for instance, and then take an oral antihistamine tablet such as your cetirizines, your fexofenadines, your loratadines, and the sedative ones such as your piriton, for example. So you've got a whole range of steroid sprays to choose from. You've got Beconase, you've got nasonex, you've got avamys, and you've got dymista. I always find that with hay fever, it is better to go in combination, such as taking a steroid, taking a tablet, and if your eye symptoms are quite severe, even taking hay fever eye drops, and always start a month before the hay fever season actually starts. Do other preventative measures, such as closing the windows of your home. If you've been outdoors, you've got pollen on your body, pollen on your face, have a shower. And also maybe get an air purifier that helps you to sleep better at night, especially if the weather is quite humid and hot. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like and subscribe.